Hey guys, so I finally saved up enough money to build my own PC, and these are the parts that I picked, so I'm just gonna run you through the parts before I try to put it together and make a PC. So first part is this Western Digital 4TB hard drive, which is for mass data storage. Second part is an M.2 SSD solid state drive, 500 gigabytes from Crucial, and this is for fast data storage. So for my RAM, I decided to go for the Corsair Vengeance, which was clocked at 3600 megahertz, and there's a 16 gigabyte 2-stick of DDR4. For my CPU, I decided to go for a Ryzen. Is Ryzen 5 3600. And I think, yeah, to be honest, this fits what I need and does what I want it to do. So for my GPU, I found this beautiful Radeon RX 6500 XT. It's from Sapphire, has 6 gigabytes of 6 gigabytes of data. And yeah, so for my motherboard, I went with B450M Mortar Max from MSI. So this is basically just a MSI Mortar motherboard that uses Ryzen AMD sockets for my Ryzen CPU. And finally, the power supply that I got was the 650 watt Coolermaster fully modular 80 plus gold power supply, which basically can power all my components, so I decided to pick it. And also it's fully modular and it was pretty cheap, so I think it was a good deal. Anyways, so now I'm gonna try to put all this together, try to film it with this camera. The final piece of the PC is the case, which I bought a Coolermaster Q300L. This thing took so long to come. I know, it just, every time I ordered it, they would cancel it, and then I'd have to order it from another place and they'd cancel it again, and it was a pain in the butt. But anyways, it is now here. If I can get it out. One thing before I move on.